Today, I'm taking a little break and handing the camera over to another expert that's going to share some really cool tips with you today. So head on over and watch the video and let me know what you think.
Hey guys, I'm Abeki, the event educator, and I want to talk to you guys about 3 tips about doing style photo shoots. Super important to you guys to really start getting into doing style photo shoots, but I want to make sure that you're well educated on where to get started and how and the things that you should think about before you start to invest into doing a style photo shoot. So for those of you that don't know who I am, my name is Abeki Carter. I dub myself as the event educator. I help aspiring wedding and event professionals by providing them with education, resources, and support and how to take their wedding and event planning business from side hustle to a profitable business. So let's get into those 3 tips. The first thing we want to start about when you're thinking about doing a style photo shoot, you want to understand like, what are your goals? What is the reason why you're doing this style photo shoot? Most of us, we want to get some marketing collateral or maybe build a portfolio. So that's one good reason that you would want to do a style photo shoot. The second thing is just building a relationship and a rapport with your local vendors. Doing a style photo shoot is a collaborative effort. This way, your vendors and your collaborators get to see, just how well you can put together events, how organized you are, what a great planner you are. And this way they'll get to see exactly what you can offer to them working in a collaborative setting. The last thing you want to think about is maybe you want to do more promotion and advertising. So you want to think about publishing. So publishing is getting your photos into magazines and online blogs so that you'll get a wider range of people seeing your business. So normally those are the top 3 reasons why people, want to invest in doing a style photo shoot. So for you, I want to make sure that you are absolutely clear about the reasons why you're doing your photo shoot. And the reason why you really want to be clear is when you talk to your collaborators, they want to know the reason why you're doing the style photo shoot. So you want to make sure that you're communicating what your goals are to them as well. And as we're talking about collaborators, want to get into the second tip. So the second tip is basically about, asking yourself some questions before choosing the collaborators that you want to work with, right? Ask yourself these questions. 1, right? Do they share the same goals? As you start thinking about people that you want to work with or you want to collaborate on this project, think about exactly what their goals are as well. Do they want to do marketing? Do they want to do publishing? So you want to make sure that the people that you're working with at least have an idea of exactly what the goals are and they kind of share the same goals with you. The second question you want to make sure that you ask yourself is, do your collaborators and vendors share similar styles? Because you'll get a better outcome when you're working with collaborators that kind of share the same style as you. So you want to really take a look into that. Are the people I'm working with share the same style as myself? Another question you want to ask yourself is, how about ideal clients? Do we share similar ideal clients? As you are doing style photo shoot, again, it's a collaborative effort. So you are going to be utilizing each other's platform to market and to promote each other. So you want to make sure that you are reaching the right audience when you're working with these other vendors. So be very clear, making sure that you're answering these questions before you decide to move on doing your style photo shoot. The third and final tip that I'm going to give you is, please determine what your budget is to do a style photo shoot. More than often, people tend to assume that all photo shoots are going to be on a barter system. But not only should you be thinking about bartering services, there are some expenses that you do incur from doing a style photo shoot that cannot be avoided. You have to think about meals and transportation. You have to think about paying your models. You have to think about equipment, some administrative costs that may be involved, or maybe you didn't get a vendor for something, so you literally have to come out of your pocket to take care of these expenses. So don't give yourself sticker shock. Be very clear about how much money you're willing to invest into doing your style photo shoot. Those are the 3 top tips I can give you so that you can get started and understand what is the dynamic of doing your style photo shoot before you get into actually creating an action plan. right? So if you want to find out more about doing style photo shoots, if you go to my event planning template shop.com, you'll find the style photo shoot guide 101. In this guide, you'll be able to find, I've included, the Photoshop list, I've included an action plan, I've included a sample mood board, I've included the templates to the emails that you can share with your collaborators. It's also resources about the places that you can publish your images once you have finished your style photo shoots. So, just hop on to the follow the link in below, and you'll be able to find this guide. You can purchase it, but I also give out great tips on my Instagram, so you can follow me at event_educator and find out all the things that you need to know about taking your event planning business from a side hustle to a profitable business. So again, thank you guys for joining me, and I hope these tips were great. So get out there and crush that style photo shoot.